Hey guys, and thanks for clicking on this video. I hope everyone's having a happy holiday season. In today's Making a Mask video, we're going to be making a Krampus mask. Okay, so I'm going to just start with gluing on my horns with the simple contact cement, and I'm going to seal in the gaps with just some latex, and I'm using just my fingertip to smooth that out. And then we're going to start basing our mask in flesh tone. I have Krampus masks that are a bunch of different colors. I have like a brown Krampus mask, a white Krampus mask. This one I use like gray hair and fur with a flesh tone. And here I'm taking a paper towel, and because I got some of the contact cement paint onto the teeth and I want the teeth to stay that latex color, I'm just using a paper towel with a bit of acetone and wiping some of that paint off. And we'll put some black around the eyes and in the ear holes and in the nose holes. I'm also using some black at the base of the horn. And we're going to start adding some blood around the mouth. And then we're going to throw our wash on it. Now this is one Krampus design. I think I have two Krampus designs in shop. I'll have to do another video for the other Krampus design I have. I would say that this one would be the more simple of the two, but also has more of that classic Krampus type of look to it. We're going to start attaching the fur, and this is just one cut of fur. I get all my fur and fabrics from Joann's, no endorsement, they don't pay me, but this is just a long-haired, woolly-like type fur, and it's really nice, high-quality stuff. And we're adding our hair. And we're going to throw a dry brush on the mask, help bring out some of that detail. And we're going to seal it up with some Plasti Dip. And this is going to take us to our final product. And if you like the video, please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.